Are you a brand new real estate agent wondering what to do first? Maybe you're asking yourself, where do I even start? How do I find clients? And what mistakes should I avoid? These questions create a lot of confusion when you're entering the industry. The truth is, most beginners fail because they don't have a clear action plan. In this video, we are sharing 30 things you must need to do if you're new real estate agent. Number 1, create a personal brand identity early. Don't just rely on your broker's branding. Design a professional, simple logo and color scheme for your marketing. This makes you look serious and helps people remember you when choosing an agent. Number 2, shadow an experienced agent. Spend 1 or 2 days each week observing how they handle clients, negotiations, and showings. This is faster than any textbook learning and gives you real-world confidence in how the business actually works. Number 3, visit 10 open houses weekly. Even if you're not hosting them, observe how different agents engage with visitors. Take notes on what feels natural versus pushy. Later, you'll craft your own client-friendly style from these insights. Number 4, record practice listing presentations. Stand in front of a mirror or use your phone camera. Refine how you explain your value, fees, and process. When the real moment comes, you'll be confident and persuasive rather than nervous and awkward. Number 5, build a local area guide. Research schools, parks, restaurants, gyms, and shopping centers. Print or post this online as your neighborhood expertise. Clients love agents who know more than just property prices. This builds immediate trust and authority. Number 6, start a real estate journal. After each meeting, showing, or call, write down what went well and what didn't. Review these notes weekly. This habit helps you grow quickly by spotting patterns in your strengths and weaknesses. Number 7, create a referral script. People won't just hand you clients. You need to ask smartly. Write a simple line like, if you know anyone thinking of buying or selling, I'd love to help them too. Practice until it feels natural. Number 8, partner with local businesses. Offer to leave business cards at cafes, salons, gyms, or co-working spaces. In return, promote their services to your client. This builds community trust and gives you free local exposure without big ad costs. Number 9, learn one digital marketing skill deeply. Instead of trying everything, master one, like Facebook ads, Instagram Reels, or YouTube videos. Specialists get better results than generalists. Later, you can expand to other platforms once you've gained traction. Number 10, build a CRM system from day one. Don't just store numbers in your phone. Use free tools like HubSpot or spreadsheets to track leads, conversations, and follow-ups. Organized agents look professional and never miss opportunities to close deals. Number 11, focus on for sale by owner leads. These homeowners already want to sell but usually struggle. Offer them value tips like professional photos or pricing advice. Many eventually hire agents and you'll be on top of their list. Number 12, practice cold calling daily. Even 20 minutes a day builds confidence. Don't pitch, just offer value, like free home valuations or market reports. Consistency with calls turns into appointments, which later turn into listings and commission. Number 13, walk your neighborhood weekly. Knock on doors, introduce yourself, and leave a business card or flyer. People trust agents they've met face to face. Even if they're not ready to buy or sell, they'll remember you when the time comes. Number 14, record simple real estate tips on social media. Short videos like 3 mistakes first-time buyers make build authority quickly. You don't need fancy editing, just be clear, helpful, and consistent. This builds an audience that turns into clients. Number 15, join community groups. Volunteer at charity events, attend school fundraisers, or sponsor local sports. Being visible offline creates natural networking. People prefer hiring agents they've seen around rather than complete strangers. Number 16, visit city planning offices. Learn about future development projects like malls, highways, or schools. Use this insider knowledge when pitching properties. Clients value agents who know what's coming soon in a neighborhood. Number 17, send handwritten thank you notes. After a meeting, showing, or referral, mail a personal card. In today's digital world, this tiny effort stands out massively and shows clients you genuinely care. Number 18, get professional listing photos training. Even if you hire photographers, knowing what angles and lighting work best helps you guide them. Strong visuals make your listings look premium and attract serious buyers faster. Number 19, offer free home valuations. Promote this online or through postcards. People are curious about their property's worth. Even if they're not selling today, you'll be their first call when they decide. Number 20, build a database of vendors. Collect contacts of painters, plumbers, movers, cleaners, and mortgage brokers. When clients ask for recommendations, you instantly provide value. This makes you their go-to resource beyond the transaction. Number 21, practice objection handling. Write down the toughest questions clients might ask, like, why should I hire you? Or, can you lower your commission? Prepare answers so you're never caught off guard. Confidence closes deals. Number 22, run neighborhood market reports. Once a month, email or print updates showing average prices, sales volume, and trends. This positions you as the data expert instead of just another salesperson. Number 23, create a personal elevator pitch. In 30 seconds, explain who you are, what you do, and why clients should choose you. Use it at networking events, parties, or random encounters where opportunities arise unexpectedly. Number 24, always carry business cards. Sounds old-fashioned, but they still work. Add a QR code that links to your website or social media. People remember small professional touches that make connecting easy. Number 25, network with mortgage lenders. Buyers often talk to lenders before agents. If lenders trust you, they'll send qualified clients your way. This partnership can fuel your business consistently without huge ad spend. Number 26, invest in comfortable shoes. Real estate means long days of walking during showings, door knocking, and open houses. Being physically comfortable keeps your energy high, which clients notice and appreciate. Number 27, practice negotiation role play. Partner with another agent or friend and simulate price discussions. Real negotiations are high pressure. Training beforehand helps you stay calm and persuasive when thousands of dollars are on the line. Number 28, build an email newsletter. Share tips, new listings, and market updates. Don't just push sales, give value. Over time, people look forward to your emails, which keeps you top of mind when they're ready to move. Number 29, follow up relentlessly. Most deals are lost because agents stop after one or two contacts. Use calls, texts, or emails to stay connected without being pushy. Persistence wins trust and eventually wins business. And number 30, celebrate small wins. Real estate is tough, and results take time. Acknowledge milestones like your first showing, your first lead, or first listing. This positive mindset keeps you motivated and prevents burnout in the early days. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos.